Hello class, welcome to my video explaining binary and also a binary addition. Now, what is binary? You might not know, or you probably do because you've known it since you're 9, but it doesn't matter. So, binary. So humans have 10 fingers, so they count with their fingers, okay? It goes 1, 10, 100. However, a frog meter is different and they don't have fingers, as there's only 1 and 0. So, if I had to show 1 in binary, it's just 1 followed by 7 zeros. So a binary instead goes in instead of going 10, 100, 1,000, it goes 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and finally 128. So that's 1, then 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, all the way up to 2 to the power of 7. So now that we've got that, so binary, it's 8 numbers, or at least that's just 8-bit binary. There's also 4-bit binary and however many bits you want. Anyway, so about binary, as you probably saw previously, there was a chart. I'm just going to show that again. So as you can see in this chart, so the farthermost one on the right, it's 1, and so in denary, which is in tens, we go from from left to right, just the same way we're gonna write. However, in binary, we go from right to left. So once again, so the rightmost one, it's 1, and then going left, then it's 2, and so on. Anyway, now let's talk about binary addition. So binary addition. So I'm just gonna show a chart really quick. So as we can see, as I am doing here. So we have the binary numbers. I'm just making them up. So this is, what is this? 1, 2, 4, 8. That's 9, 16, 32. It doesn't matter. So we have them as usual. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. However, here, what happens? So if we take a closer look, so this is 8. So obviously 8 plus 8 is 16. So we put a 0 in its place, and we put a 1 in the 16, and the same for the others. So now that we know binary addition and what binary is, well, my job here is more or less done. So you know what? I'm just gonna give you. No, actually, I'm just gonna give you some questions to do. So have fun. So as we can see in this question, we don't actually have to do much except around, what is that? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the rest it's just 1. But 16 plus 16 is 32. So then we carry along the 32, but there's already a 1 there. So then it becomes 64. But there's already 64 there, so then it carries on and it becomes 128. However, we don't have more than 8 bits in this. So, well, obviously that's a pretty big problem, because if we don't have enough space to fit it, then we have what is called I forgot the word. Oh yes, it is called a Ah yes, I remember this called binary overflow. And I know that 100% because I pay attention in class. Anyway, so to this binary overflow, it usually goes on the side of the, on the side of the binary equation. Or we can have a 16-bit binary, but 16-bit binary, that's a bit, yeah, I don't really do a 16-bit binary. So, that's everything we need to know about binary addition. So, without further ado, let's conclude this because this took me 10 minutes. Anyway, It's been difficult, and obviously the brainstorming what to do was difficult. So, miss, I really think I deserve a 9. Actually, a positive contribution. Yes, I deserve a positive contribution for this. Anyway, I'll see you on Monday, miss. Actually, I changed my mind. After seeing this all over again, I think it's better not to show my face in class. Yeah! So, I'm not be seeing on Monday, miss. I shall be changing my name to Bob, and I will be moving to Connecticut. Anyway, that concludes this little, thing. Conversation lesson? I don't know.